Alright, my Dodge 3500 is leaking transmission fluid all over the place. And I can see by the puddles it's coming from the front end here. So that means the transmission cooling lines to the radiator are causing this leak. So by inspection we should be able to figure out if it's the fittings or the radiator itself. If it's the radiator itself, somehow it has a puncture in it, which I don't remember hitting anything on the freeway. Let's take a look. Alright, I got the shroud loose. I drained the radiator. Here's our quick disconnect fittings, and by inspection we can see that they're bone dry, so our leak isn't coming from that. And also by the position of the puddle, I can tell the radiator is causing the leak. Alright, this first quick disconnect, you can get it with your hand. You just squeeze this. Alright, this first quick disconnect, you can get this one with your hand. You just squeeze this and then push in on it. And it comes off. Definitely need two hands with this one, but no tools required. And I'm inspecting this plastic and it looks like it's still in good shape. So with that one off, that's how you figure out the right selection on your tool. This little lip right here is holding it in place. So with this selection, I should be able to slide this in there and unlock it. That one's too big. That one's too small. So that's going to be our setup right there. So they don't give you much room to work with, as you can see. See the tools in place now? And once again, I'm going to need two hands for this, so let's see how this comes off. Will I ever learn to appreciate these quick disconnects? I doubt it. Alright. Let's get the tool on there. Alright, so if you're having trouble with this, you can always get a hacksaw and cut that tube, and then when you have it right there in front of you, remove the little nipple part. But with a little effort, it's not that hard. Okay, so this is the right tool. Get it into place so that it's closed. That can be a chore in itself. Alright, we're in there now. And that comes off like that. And here's our transmission fluid. I did not put a bucket under there. Damn it. Alright, 2 bolts through this rubber grommet on each side. And this radiator's coming out. Alright, that'll lift out. The moment of truth. Let's see what's causing this leak. So somewhere right here, this radiator failed. It doesn't look like it was impacted with anything. This is a real bummer that I have to replace this for this. Although right there it might have got hit by something. Alright, well, I got this out. Let's look at these quick disconnect fittings again. See those plastic pieces? And there's the one that's a pain in the balls. That one's metal, actually. So those metal tabs are grabbing this lip right here. Alright, those metal or plastic tabs are being held in place by that lip right there. So you need to release that, and you do that by fitting the tool around here, sliding it, and then the tabs unhook from that, and then the quick disconnect comes off. So you don't need to buy this. There's other methods. People put Teflon tape around it, slide it in, plastic tubing, slide it in. People take a torch on the plastic ones and just melt them off, because they're readily available at the auto parts store. And on this particular vehicle, the clearance is so close when it's installed. I've cut it with a hacksaw and then removed it when it's out. As you can see, there's not a lot of room to work with. That's it.